Hello everyone, welcome back to another quick and short tutorial. In this video we are going to resolve this error or this problem that whenever you are trying to access the Google Keyword Planner, it always starts the smart campaign. So let's say that I am using this account right here. So even if we click on the sign in and you're already using this account, let's say for your AdSense or whatever. So if you go to the keyword planner right here, what it will do is it will show you this smart campaign. So we have this option right here which says use your business profile name. If you have listed any business on Google My Business, so it will show you this smart campaign setup. So even if we click on don't use this, it will still ask for the new business name and you can continue with that. And then it will again ask you to run your ads or whatever. So how can we avoid that? We can click on switch to expert mode here. And from here, just go to the bottom which says create an account without a campaign. So that will solve actually your problem. And then you can fill in all of your details which is required, your country name, your time zone, your currency, and just click no to both of these and just click on submit and click on explore your account. It says congrats, you're all done. So now you can access the screen which you might have been struggling here. And after setting this up, you will still see an ad page. So what you can do is just right here Google Keyword Planner and just go to this website right here which says find your campaign keywords with Keyword Planner. So you need to just scroll a little bit down and click on this link. And then you can get this option, go to the Keyword Planner. And then finally you will be able to work on it. So guys, I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, just help me back with liking this video and subscribing to our channel, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.